This fascinating 4K view from Perseverance rover reveals a rocky plain scattered with countless boulders and layered sediments stretching across the horizon. The highlighted area shows intriguing dark patterns on the surface, possibly created by ancient water flow, wind erosion, or shifting dust storms. Such markings help scientists study Mars' dynamic geological past and understand how liquid water once shaped its landscapes. The diversity of rock sizes and textures suggests powerful forces at work, from volcanic eruptions to meteorite impacts. Each image like this offers vital clues, bringing us closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars's environment and its potential for past life. So let's take a look at the fascinating geological features of Martian rocks and soil. This close-up of Martian rock reveals sharp fractures and metallic-like textures, possibly formed through volcanic activity and long exposure to wind erosion. Such detailed images help scientists study the planet's mineral composition, unlocking clues about Mars' geological history and the possibility of ancient water shaping these mysterious formations. High on a Martian ridge, the rover's camera reveals something truly unusual. Amid the rugged landscape, a smooth dome-like shape emerges, almost like a hidden camp or a small hut resting on the hillside. Is this a natural rock carved by the harsh winds of Mars? Or could it be evidence of something more mysterious? Perhaps a remnant of life, or even an ancient shelter. Mars continues to challenge our understanding, leaving us to wonder, are these formations mere illusions or silent clues of secrets waiting to be discovered?